To Global Education Zone, and my name is Antonio Nathaniel, and today we're talking about lines, a very important and foundational topic in technical drawing. Now, today is technical drawing class, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video for more profitable and enjoyable and educational contents like this. Now, next, talk about lines. What are lines? Lines are basically a region or a mark that joins 2 points. Now, we have a point A and a point B. We have a line connecting them, and those lines can be straight or curved. Now, but without much ado, we need to talk about the types of lines which are important to study in TD. And the first line we're talking about are thick lines. Thick lines are formed by pressing your pencil hard on the surface. So thick lines are formed by pressing your pencil at it directly overhead on the surface. But then we have thin lines. Thin lines are formed by, they are not very as thick as thick lines, but they are formed as pressing your angles at your pencil at angles to the surface. Then we have your thick short dashes. Yes, you have your thin short dashes. So your thin short dashes and your thin lines that are like dashes. So the essence of your thick lines are for your outlines, your visible outlines of your objects in technical drawing. Your thin lines are used for hidden views, hidden details, construction lines, and dimension lines. Then your thin long chain are used for hidden views. They're also used for hidden details, and they're used for parts of the view objects that are not visible. Then we'll talk about thin long chain. Your thin long chain is used for center line, pitch lines, and pitch circles. So your thin long chain consists of a long line and a short line. So you have a long line, your short line, a long line, a short line, a long line. So that's called your thin long chain. It's not as thick as your thick line, and it is used for cutting planes. It is used for your center lines, pitch lines, and path circles. So you find all these things I'm saying, you find it in your technical drawing JN Green book, and that is your page, the first page, and then you will be able to understand it better. Next, moving on, we have a ruled line with short zigzag. So your ruled line with short zigzag are formed like this. So they are just like pulsating lines, and these lines are used for long break lines. So when you have long break lines, you make of ruled lines with short zigzag, and they are not very common in technical drawing. Then we have thick wavy lines. So thick wavy lines are also used for short break lines, and a break line is used when you cut off a part of an object in an irregular manner or irregular manner. So it could be regular or irregular break. So but these lines are used when you cut off a part of an object. So if I cut a wood, imagine I'm representing a wood like this, and I cut this wood, so I will represent it with a break line. So this is I'm making use of a thick wavy line. So that is, you are using different lines in technical drawing, and this is the basic different types of lines we use in technical drawing. Thank you for watching.